Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 200, the 50, and the 20 EMA on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software. Then after that, choose your currency. For me, I choose it the Euro USD. Okay. Now go to Insert, choose Indicator. Then go to trends. Most likely you won't find moving average here. So go to trends and click on moving average. Then after that on parameters, type the first one. So let's say 200. Here on method, make sure you choose exponential. Most likely you will find it here on simple. So choose exponential and choose the color of the 200 MA. So let's say, for example, I will choose yellow. Okay. Now here you can change the thickness and the width of the line. I think that you get the idea. So let's choose this one, for example. This is for the 200 and click on OK. Okay, this is the 200 OMA. Now let's add the 50. Now click on Insert again, Indicators, Trend, and Moving Average. Here in period type 50, make sure you are in exponential. Change the color to another one. So let's say this one, for example, and change the thickness if you want. Okay, now let's change it to another one, this one, and click on OK. Okay, now this is the 200 and this is the 50. Now let's add the 20. Go again to Insert, Indicator, Trend, and Moving Average. Okay, now let's type here 20. Method exponential and style. Let's change the style to, for example, let's say this one, a brighter color, magenta, and let's change the thickness, or let's skip that one and let's click on OK. And as you can see, these are our EMAs. We have the 200, 50, and the 20, and make sure you remember the colors. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.